Hello everyone. In today's session, I would like to talk about edema, otherwise known as fluid retention. Previously, I have talked about blood clots. Today, I would like to talk about edema. The reason is because I want to cover all the common and rare complications after the C19 vaccines. Blood clot is most common, and edema, fluid retention of the joints, face, eyelid, puffy face, swollen legs, swollen arms, swollen joints, painful joints. These are the next common signs and symptoms. And I would like to explain in the Chinese medicine and naturopath perspective. When our body have fluid retention, 4 organs related. Kidney dominates the fluid. Spleen transforms the fluid. Lung regulates the fluid. Unibladder gets out of the fluid. So 4 organs is related. Could that mean it damaged all these 4 organs? Maybe. But let's look at the people who are more prone to edema. People who's on medication such as diabetes, blood pressures, steroid-based drugs, non-steroid-based anti-inflammatory, they are more prone to fluid retention if they have the C19 vaccine. And complications. If you have fluid retention, you are more likely to have restricted movements, difficult walking, scar tissues, injuries that's not less likely to be healed, and it affects the blood pressure, both high and low. Yes. Okay, and also we want to look at how you can help and DIY treat yourself. In pharmacy, you can buy vitamin B6, grape seed, magnesium, they will help. In supermarket, you can buy apple cider vinegar, nettle tea, flax seed. They will also help reduce the fluid retention. Again, this treatment, DIY treatment, they are sign and symptom relief only. The main point is you want to get the toxins out that cause the edema and fluid retention. In Chinese medicine, we will acupuncture lung, spleen, kidney, unibladder, meridian, and then we will follow by cupping, slight cupping, and scraping, and often you will see your back looks very bruised, purple or black, but you won't feel any pain. That's the toxins that you want to get out to prevent yourself to get the side effects, bad adverse effects from the C19 vaccines. I hope this video helps you, and I'll see you in the next episode for more common cold signs and symptoms.